Hi, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling. I'm here on site to this new kitchen remodel that we just have finished up. We have touched every part of the kitchen. New countertops, new cabinets, new appliances. Even sanded the floor and refinished all the flooring in this home. What I love about this kitchen is the Taj Mahal quartzite granite tops. Just a nice little touch to really bring in all the colors and accentuate everything about the kitchen. We put in GE monogram appliances with a nice 42-inch refrigerator, as well as a dishwasher, a microwave that is hidden under the island. Right behind me is the backsplash that we did with the herringbone tile. It gives it a really nice touch, a focal point that pops, but not too overpowering to really take away from the beauty of this kitchen. We updated all the lighting, repositioned new can lights, so it really accentuates the beauty of this kitchen. One of the features that we have that I really like is a appliance lift. You're able to open up a door to one of the cabinets and reach in, grab this appliance lift, lift it up and lock it in place, and then you've got your appliance, whether it's a mixer or whatever type of appliance it is, that you're able to utilize at a cabinet level, however, tuck it away where it's hidden underneath the cabinet when you're not using it. Thanks for joining me on this new kitchen remodel. I look forward to seeing you on the next project.